Dubai, a dazzling metropolis in the United Arab Emirates, is a city that embodies grandeur, innovation, and an unwavering pursuit of excellence. This vibrant destination seamlessly blends the allure of modernity with the preservation of tradition, offering an array of experiences that cater to luxury seekers, adventure enthusiasts, culture aficionados, and families alike. Dubai's skyline is dominated by architectural marvels that push the boundaries of design and engineering. The iconic Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city from its observation decks, while the twisting Cayenne Tower and the sail-shaped Burj Al Arab redefine architectural aesthetics. The Dubai Mall, a global shopping haven, houses over 1,300 retail outlets, ranging from luxury brands to high-street fashion. Beyond shopping, the mall boasts attractions like the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where visitors can marvel at aquatic life, and the Dubai Ice Rink, offering ice skating in the heart of the desert. Dubai's man-made islands, such as the Palm Jumeirah and the World, showcase the city's audacious imagination. The Palm Jumeirah's luxury resorts, upscale residences, and Aquaventure water park provide an escape into a world of opulence and leisure. The Dubai Marina is a modern waterfront district, lined with upscale dining options, vibrant nightlife venues, and luxury yacht cruises that allow visitors to explore the city's coastline from a different perspective. The Dubai Opera, an architectural masterpiece, is a hub for cultural performances, including operas, ballets, concerts, and theater productions. Its distinctive design and acoustics provide an intimate setting for world-class entertainment. For desert adventures, visitors can embark on exhilarating desert safaris that include dune bashing, camel rides, and traditional Bedouin-style experiences under the starlit sky. The Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve offers a chance to explore the unique desert ecosystem and encounter local wildlife. Dubai's commitment to preserving its heritage is evident in the Al Fahidi Historic District, known as Al Bastakia. The district's wind tower architecture, museums, art galleries, and cultural events provide a window into the city's past. For shopping enthusiasts, the bustling Gold Souk and Spice Souk offer an immersive experience in traditional marketplaces, where visitors can haggle for gold, gems, spices, and unique souvenirs. Dubai's culinary scene is a fusion of international flavors, with restaurants helmed by celebrity chefs, world-class dining establishments, and street food stalls offering a spectrum of tastes. The multicultural makeup of the city is reflected in its diverse gastronomic offerings. In essence, Dubai is a city that defies expectations, embracing modernity while honoring its heritage. Whether it's indulging in luxury experiences, exploring architectural wonders, embracing outdoor adventures, or immersing in cultural treasures, Dubai invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of a city that continually redefines the limits of possibility.